Hey guys, so it's been a good 7 months since I've made my last period video, and I'm once again back making another one. So I have learned a lot in the past 7 months about periods and stuff like that, and I'm here to share some kits with y'all and just a bunch of other stuff. So before we get started, give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me on my social medias. And one more thing before we get started. I do have another video coming up from our last championships video for drumline, and it was amazing. We went to the beach, and then we did not place, but I had an amazing time, and I think that's all that matters. So now we will begin the period video. So I have a bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna start off with like what I use at home, which is all of this. So we have you buy Kotex, I'm pretty sure, pads, and I just show you guys what it looks like because you should know what a pad looks like. So boom, simple, and it has wings, and wings are basically the things that like it keeps it on your underwear, if that makes any sense. I hope it does. And then we also have a panty liner. This is a very thick panty liner, so you can get the thin panty liners or the thick panty liners, and I have both. So I use pads. I don't use pads as much as I use tampons because I'm in a bunch of things. Like, okay, August to December, I'm in marching band, I'm in concert band, and I'm trying out for color guard this year. So if I have to wear like a short dress as my uniform, definitely wearing a tampon, not a pad. But I'm in a lot of stuff. And then I have drumline, and then yeah, so. This is a thin pad, and then you also have your thick pad, which is thick, really thick. It's not thick, it's just long. Like, if you look, this is like for like overnight, because you know how like when your underwear flip all over the place, but this has wings, so it's much more easier. And then we have, oh, by the way, I'm doing this video because a lot of y'all were requesting it, and I decided to just make the video. Then we also have this other one. It's just a different brand. Personally, if you buy panty liners, get the blue ones, not the pink ones, because these ones, they don't have, like, plastic at the bottom, so, like, it leaks through, and it's bothering. So that's what's at home. And then I also have wipes for home. But I haven't had my period in, like, the past 3 weeks, so yeah, that's what I use at home. Keep my wipes right there, keep it fresh. Okay, next up I have my period organizer thing. So this is all the pads that I have that are kind of used. I just opened the boxes to see what they look like. So I have Always brand. I think this is backwards for y'all, but if it is, this is the Always brand. And then I use Tampax Radiant tampons. I don't really use these. I haven't tried them yet. But it's just really thick pad. I have ultra thin. These ones are very nice. And these all fell out. So, yeah. And then I have shave razors. Because razors are very good to use when you need to feel fresh again. And get all that wind not blowing through your hairy legs. Leggy hairs. No. Bring this to school. I usually bring this whenever I have practice. But deodorant, because you don't want to smell disgusting when you're outside. And then lotion and perfume. And this is my favorite, Magic in the Air. I just bought a new one of these, but it smells good. Oh, by the way, I got a new change. I dyed my hair. Wait, let me turn on the... There we go. I dyed my hair, and I'm in love with it. So, we have a few kits. We have the pre-period kit. Very, very basic. A big liner, a small liner, panty liners. Those were pads. And then just a regular wipe. The reason why I didn't pack a hand sanitizer in this one is just... So before I keep going, I did not pack food in any of these. and I also did not pack medicine. I'm not one of those people that get cramps, so that's out of the box. I don't get cramps. I don't need medicine. Well, I do get cramps, but I can deal with them because I'm cool like that. So I have this Pampering is Magical bag, and I use this only for marching band season. I don't use it for drumline because during drumline season, I bring this bag, and this is not just for pads. I don't need that many pads. It's just like my crossbody bag. So this I bring during marching band season, and I let anybody use these. So if you ask me, you get a pad. So we have a plastic bag for Yodority underwear if you have a little leakage. It's okay. We all have that problem. A hand sanitizer, because when we went at our marching band game, legit at one of the football games, the sinks didn't work. So we had to use hand sanitizers, and I was so germophobic. Panty liner, more panty liners, pads. We all need pads. I got a bunch of different kinds of pads. And tampons. These things look scary, but they're so freaking easy. I used one legit last week. Well, I've been using it for a little while now, but legit so easy. Do not use the cardboard. We do not want this. This gives you splinters and toxic shock faster. This, on the other hand, is so fun. Look, it opens up, and it's so fun. Look, okay. Since I'm gonna use this, I'm not gonna touch that piece right there. But basically, you take it right here, and you just, like, pull it out a little bit. Oh, these are pre-pulled. And you just, like, if this is your thing, you just put it in, and then it gets right there, and then you squeeze it in, and then it'll fall out. But I'm not wasting this, because I only have, like, 13 left, and cannot afford to waste another. But you can go to my last video, and you can see the whole process. And then I have this bag, my crossbody bag. So in here is hand sanitizers. In here is my wallet, my phone, blah, 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 pads. Yeah, pads. Wait, did you know that there were going to be pads in there? I bet you did. I bet you did. And last, always bring makeup if you want to look pretty. Now, all girls are beautiful. Sis, you're beautiful. So don't let anyone tell you different. The only person, no, actually nobody. So don't listen to me. But listen to that other thing I just said. So just bring makeup. That's disgusting. There's a makeup wipe that is very dry in here. But bring a makeup bag if you feel like loving yourself at the moment. And then I have my gym bag for marching band season, and basically I just put the pads, I emptied all the pads out of this. I just put the pad bag in here, and then all my marching band stuff in here. And last, always carry extra bags on you. I'm a bag freak. I got this bag, I got this bag, I got this bag, I got this bag, I have this bag, I have this bag, I have this bag, and I have this bag. And that's all I got for you girls today. So, if you enjoyed watching, comment down below if you watched the whole thing. And, what could you comment down below? Cardboard box. Whoever comments cardboard box first, I will comment to you and tell you what I will do for that. So anyways, that's all I got. Like I've already said before. Oh, I have this bag. I just got so many bags. Oh, okay. So, I'm going to go in like 45 seconds. But all I got to say is, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Always bring hair ties on your wrist to school because these are very necessary whenever you want to put your hair up. And also, I'm going to be doing a skincare routine video soon and a makeup routine video soon. So, that's everything that I have to say today. Peace out.